Good morning, everybody. I don't know about you, but here it feels a little bit like the calm before the storm. I've got 4 days left before the school holidays begin, and so I thought I'd record a little video to tell you about my parenting workshops, which are starting in January. We're going to start on January the 11th, and we're going to do 7 Monday nights, but we'll have a break for half term. And people have asked me, actually, what happens in your sessions? So here's your opportunity to find out. We start every week with a little warm-up activities. Sometimes you'll be in groups of 2, getting to know each other, and sometimes we'll be all together sharing what we've learned and read this week, because we use the Positive Discipline book by Jane Nelson. We read a chapter each week and talk about what we've learned. And we always have some teaching time, so there's a bit of time where I explain one of the concepts and people get an opportunity to ask questions. Most of our workshop is taken up by experiential activities now. If you've already been to one of my intros, you'll know that we can indeed do experiential activities online. We have a lot of fun and laughter, understanding what it means to be a child when they hear certain things, and how we can change what we say and how we act and make a difference in our kids' lives by using encouragement, by using affirmations, by asking questions. I think the most useful bit of the workshops to parents is something called Parents Helping Parents. Every week, one parent brings one of their difficulties and we look at that together. We do a short role play of it and we brainstorm for solutions. We'll come up with maybe 10 or so different ideas. And the parent gets to, first of all, try that idea out in a role play and then go home with the whole list of ideas and try 1 or 2 of them during the week. And they come back the week after and tell us which ones they've tried and what's worked for their family. Positive Discipline has about 50 tools. And so it's great to be able to offer a variety of those, because you in your family will know the ones that will work for you, and what works in my family won't work necessarily in yours, because we're all different. I hope that gives you a short idea of what happens in the workshops. If you've got questions, then comment below. I'd love to know what they are.